Want to know how to make cornmeal porridge with a difference? Come, let me show you. What's up, my peeps? Wagwan. Welcome again to Angie's Kitchen. You know, in Angie's Kitchen, we cook with a difference. So today I'm going to show you how to make cornmeal porridge. So first of all, you need some cornmeal. How about some coconut milk? This is our difference, because you know in Angie's Kitchen we cook with a difference. Our butter is also a difference. You don't have to put it in there, but today we're going to. You need some cow's milk. You need some vanilla. You need some cinnamon powder. And how about a pinch of salt? So first of all, what we're going to do, we're just going to add all the ingredients first. Like we're going to put the liquids first and then we put the cornmeal next. So we have some water and it's boiling over here. So I'm just going to add the butter first. And just let it melt on in there. You are going to love this one. Just going to go ahead and we're going to let it melt. How about a pinch of salt? Cinnamon powder. Vanilla, you can add it at the end, but I like it when it's boiling in there and it just come together. Just gonna add our cow's milk. You need about 3 cups of cow's milk and about 1.5 cups of coconut milk. This is the difference. You can use either or, but today we're combining them. So you just want to stir everything together. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let the water and everything come to a boil. It's going to start boiling because you don't want to add the cornmeal while the water is not boiling. So we're going to go ahead and I'll see you on the next guys, so let's take a look. So now it's coming to a boil. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to add some water to the cornmeal. You just want to stir it up. Just want to add water until it's not, the cornmeal is dry, so not until there is no more dryness. So it gets a little bit wet now. Look at that. So it's wet. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our time. You can pour everything at once in there, but today I'm going to show you just take your time and just keep on adding it so you don't have a lot of clumps or lumps in there. So let's go. So each time you put it in there, just want to take your time. I just want to stir it around so it evens out itself. You can use as much cornmeal as you like to your lightness, because after this, the cornmeal is going to come together and it's going to get thick. So it depends on how thick you want it. So far it's looking good. This is how I like it, and this is how yours should be too. So you see, as we add cornmeal, the texture is changing. And this is how you want it to look. You can have this as a meal by itself. You can have it with crackers. You can have this also with fried dumplings. You can have it with bread, or just have a bowl by itself. You are going to love this one. See, the texture is changing. It's getting thicker. And this is how you want it to look. And see, there's no lumps or clumps in there. It's nice and smooth. But if you pour everything in there all at once, you have to be very careful. You are going to love this once you make it. Or if you want Angie's Kitchen to cater for you and do this one for you, just send us an email at angieskitchen@777@gmail.com. See, it's getting thicker. You can stop at this, or you can just keep going. It depends on how thick you would want your cornmeal porridge to be. This is looking amazing. This is how I like it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover it. You cannot cover it if you don't want to, but I'm going to cover it because it's starting to bubble. So you don't want it to splash out. And then it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna change its texture by getting smooth. So once you stir, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna keep on stirring periodically. And then I see on the other side. Hey guys, so let's take a look. This is how you want your cornmeal porridge to look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn the stove off. The texture now is nice and smooth, because I use the refined cornmeal, so it cooks a little bit faster. And look at that. This is how you want it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you your finishing touch. So you need a nutmeg. I'm going to crack it. You can buy the one that is already cracked and everything, but I like it nice and natural. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to grate everything into it. This enhances the flavor. This is nice, your finishing touch. You want to grate as much as you like. You can do it to your likeness. This is gonna get a nice flavor. There we go. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it from the heat. I'm gonna bring it over here. Just gonna stir it up in there. You should smell the nice nutmeg, all the aroma from the vanilla. Nicely done. Look at that. You're just ready to dig on in, but not just yet. You want to enhance the flavor by adding some condensed milk. You're going to add as much as you like to the sweetness that you like, but you have to add this to your likeness. So we're just gonna go ahead and you don't want to stir too much, you just want to like kind of mix it in. You want to mix it right on in. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just want to make everything come together. Look at that. This is how you want it to look. Oh my goodness, I am just ready to dig on in. And you should too when you make yours. Look at that. Just want to make another big stir. You want to kind of just fold the milk in. So you just want to stir, and then you just want to cut it. You want to stir. Just want to fold it in. So everything can even out. Look at that. Beautiful. This is how you want it to look. You can add as much condensed milk as you like. However, if you like it sweet, go ahead. Add a can or two. You can add up to like 3 cans for this kind of, for this amount. Just gonna add some more. We're in the kitchen for a while, so we know like how much to put in so it can taste the way how we want it to taste. So go ahead and do yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep those comments coming. I enjoy talking to you through my channel. So keep on talking. I'm happy to reply. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is amazing. This is how you want it to look. Look at that. Yes. We are ready to dig on in. You don't need to do anything else to it than to grab you a bowl and enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish mixing it up, and I see you on the other side. Guys, so it should be nice and to the taste now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try it. I have some over here that I already put to the side because sometimes it can be very hot. So we're just going to make another stir. Just want to stir it up. Nicely done. Look at that. Beautiful. This is how you want your cornmeal porridge to look. You're just ready to dig on in. All those milk. Oh my goodness. That nice combo. The butter, the vanilla, the cinnamon powder. You can also use cinnamon leaf and boil it in there. But you know, in Angie's Kitchen, we cook with a difference. So today we're just using the powder. And this is all ready. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try it. I have some over here already. This is good. This is amazing. You can taste the coconut milk in there, all the cinnamon, the vanilla, the milk, everything just come together. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is how you want your cornmeal porridge to come together. Oh my goodness. Girls, guys, go ahead. Try it. Like it. Share it. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.